What is DigitalOcean? Try DigitalOcean free. What is DigitalOcean? DigitalOcean is a cloud hosting provider that offers cloud computing services and infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Known for pricing and scalability, teams can deploy on DigitalOcean in seconds with plans start at just $5 a month. This structure can help anyone get up and running quickly in the cloud. What is DigitalOcean used for? DigitalOcean is built for developers. It is used to manage and monitor droplets. What is a droplet in DigitalOcean? Droplets are Linux-based virtual machines, VMs, that run on DigitalOcean hardware. Each virtual machine is a droplet. Teams can deploy one to get started and scale as needed. DigitalOcean can also be used to manage Kubernetes, set up databases, store objects, and build apps. Version control and DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean supports Helix Core version control. Try Helix Core free today. Get Helix Core. Why customers love DigitalOcean. Founded in 2011, DigitalOcean removes the complexities of deploying infrastructure. For startups and indie studios, it offers a simple platform that is still feature-rich, without added cost. And teams can easily adjust as projects grow. Minimalist approach. If you have tried deploying in the cloud, you know that it can be overwhelming. There are a lot of options to choose from and new terminology to understand. DigitalOcean takes a new approach with a simpler setup. Although there are fewer options to select, DigitalOcean does not lack features. There are enough options available for teams to deploy and manage scale. Simple API and command line. To automate and integrate with third-party tools, DigitalOcean exposes a simple API. Developers can use standard tools to invoke the API and customize their environment. They also have a command line interface for developers who want to get hands-on. Robust features. Too often simple applications lack performance. But not with DigitalOcean. On their website, they claim to provision at a lightning speed of just 55 seconds. With a global footprint including 14 distributed data centers, DigitalOcean can support production-level environments for game development and beyond. Comprehensive documentation. DigitalOcean documentation is there to guide new users to the cloud. They have an extensive how-to guides that can walk anyone through complex setups. Whether you are deploying version control or starting up a Kubernetes cluster, DigitalOcean can help. The key behind DigitalOcean's success is their approach of promoting users to add content. Using their community, DigitalOcean invites subject matter experts to contribute with compensation ranges based on content depth. Affordable pricing model. Moving to the cloud can be very cost-effective for many users. Instead of needing to invest in costly hardware, teams can scale instantly to match their needs. DigitalOcean beats other cloud providers by having an easier-to-understand pricing model. At just $5 a month to start, for 512 MB of RAM with 1 CPU and 20 GB of SSD, it is clearly the most affordable. This price also includes a bucket of network transfer, eliminating what is a hidden cost for other providers. There are several droplet sizes available. And don't worry. There is no need to use complex calculators to figure out final costs. DigitalOcean uses hourly and monthly pricing to make it more predictable for users. Robust community. DigitalOcean has been embraced by the open source community. It is clear why. They value their users. From documentation to functionality, DigitalOcean embraces feedback, and it has been a key factor in their success. DigitalOcean cons. Because DigitalOcean caters to developers, they emphasize Linux deployments with no support for OS or Windows. Also, if you want to run SAP or Microsoft SQL, DigitalOcean would not be the right solution for you. This could make it difficult for enterprises to embrace DigitalOcean. But with support continuously growing, it could happen soon. Is DigitalOcean free? Want to get $100 to try DigitalOcean? Plus, try out all their feature for free. You can. Sign up for their free trial to access to the credit and check out all their services at no additional cost.